What's going on, boys? It's your boy Chris here from On The Rise Imports, and it's now day 2 of our installs that we're going to be doing. You guys already seen the other one, which was the sway bar braces. Now we're going to be doing the front lip. It's a TRD rep, as you can see my daughter right there. So we got the car inside the garage. We're going to wipe down that, and then we're going to be putting all the little brackets on and everything. So I'm going to get those on and then show you what it looks like. So let's go. All right, boys, so we got the brackets on. I'm missing a screw, but it looks like that one doesn't line up in general. This one lined up just fine. I don't think they have any like right or left. I think it's the same exact thing. This is what I'm thinking how it goes, but I'm not too sure. It doesn't have instructions on it. So now that that's on, I'm gonna jack up the car in the air so I could actually be able to see everything. I might have to turn my tires in when I'm mounting the actual lip itself to the car, especially have to take out the little clips. So now we're just gonna detail it. I'm not gonna wash the bottom. I'm just gonna get some detail spray, detail it off so there's no contaminants underneath, and then put it on. So let's go. All right, boys, so far the fitment's not great on the sides, but I'm gonna try to get a heat gun, try to mount it a little bit, see if it'll wrap more around it. Looks pretty aggressive so far, but if not, we'll just have to get the drill and just self-tap it, like how we have the self-tapping screws right here, and then try to get it to work. But let me get my heat gun, which I think it's right here. Actually, I don't know where I put that thing. So let me find my heat gun and then we'll do that and we'll see if it works. Boys, so I got the lip on the car. So with this one, the lip came with like these self-tapping screws, but I didn't use them. Like you can see that what I did was I drilled out the holes right here and used the existing holes like for the little fender, I guess, trim, and used like these little clips from Harbor Freight. They're these ones right here. It's either these, I think it's these, the 7.8 millimeters. But they look like this, so they can't back themselves out. So once you push them in, it's hard to take them out. Because I tried using like these, but they would just keep popping out. They didn't seat good enough. So I drilled them out and then put those in there to make it flush. Like this side sits really flush. That side doesn't for some reason. I could always take the heat gun to it and make it sit really flush, but actually maybe we could try that. Maybe I might just put the heat gun on it, but maybe not today. So now like the car's looking really good. And then I use the self-tapping screws, and then luckily this sits under the lip itself. So with that being said, like it holds it in place. The only thing that sucks is like you can see like it's not complete. But then again, I don't know if this is supposed to go up more because the way I mounted it. But if you look at it, I mean, you're not really gonna pay attention, honestly. So I'm not too worried about those little gaps. But it does go up some more, like as you can see right here. Like we had probably like another inch to go up, but I'm like, I don't really want to use self-tapping screws. I don't feel like it's safe. So now it's on, like it looks aggressive. The only thing I don't know if I want to do is I have this little emblem right here. I want to put it on. So, hold on. There's a hole. Can't find the hole. So, like, what do you guys think? Should I leave it on with the white mouth? What do you guys think? I don't know. All right, boys, so I think the car looks super good with the lip on. I think it makes it look more aggressive, more focused. Now we're about to wash it, get it all nice, cleaned up. But other than that, that was pretty much it. I know I didn't show a complete install of the car itself, but like I said, that was it.